to prepare natural indicator using red cabbage. This is what is called red cabbage. It's available in the market. It is purple in color maybe, but called red cabbage. Using this we are going to prepare natural indicator. What you will have to do is take this red cabbage, cut it into small pieces, put it in a mixer grinder. I have already done it and brought it here. Pour some water, grind it nicely and strain it this way. That's all. Now the extract of this red cabbage, see, it does not look red, it looks purplish, right? So this is the indicator that we are going to use. Indicator means what shows. This is acid base indicator. It means this shows whether the given substance is an acid or a base. It will have different colors in different media. That is, in acidic medium it will have one color, in basic medium it will have another color, in neutral medium what color it will have we will see. Okay, so now the extract is ready. So this is what is natural indicator that we have prepared out of cabbage, right? So what we are going to do is pour a little of it in all these disposable containers that we have taken. Maybe little more is there. I will add here. Yes, that should be there. Doesn't matter. So now one I will keep it here for our reference. We are not going to add anything to it. I have here kept commonly used substances at home. First is lime. I am going to squeeze the lime juice, and this is synthetic vinegar which is used for cleaning, multi-purpose cleaner. In this glass there is buttermilk that we use with our food. This is common salt I have kept. This is baking soda or cooking soda that we use at home. This milk of magnesia, that is magnesium hydroxide, available in medical store. It's given as laxative to small children. You can use anything else that is available, even calcium hydroxide you can use. This is floor cleaner, right? With this I plan to test. You can use anything that is available to you. All that is necessary is it should be soluble in water. So now I am squeezing lime into it and see the color changes. Has it changed? See what a nice red color it has. Yes. Now I am going to add vinegar to the next one. Vinegar, citric acid, acetic acid, anything that you can call. So I have added vinegar, that is also almost red in color. Here I am going to add buttermilk. Yes, it is turning red and again turning blue. So not so acidic. Now, here I am adding salt. You can make a solution. I did not make a solution because already there is water in it. It will dissolve in it. Now, next is cooking soda, dosa soda that we use. I have added. Let us see whether there is any change in color. Yes, it is changing color because the extract was very dark. This is also very dark. Maybe we'll add a little more water and make it lighter. We'll be able to see the color better. So I am adding milk of magnesia. Right? See the color, lovely blue. And floor cleaner. Yes, I have added. Let us mix it because it will not dissolve so easily. Yes. Yes. I think this was a bit dark, the extract that we had prepared. Let us add a little water to all of this and then see whether there is any change in color. Make it lighter. I am making it bit lighter to see whether there is change in color or visibility is little better. Here we added salt. Here we added baking soda. See, now when we have made it little lighter, the color is seen better. Okay. See. Yes. Now, all that is in red derivatives or acidic, where the color remains the same, it is neutral. Where it is green to yellow, it is basic. In that also you can see different shades. It is red, it is pink, it is almost violet. That means gradually acidity is decreasing. Here, if you can see, it is bluish green, it is green, it is yellow. Gradually basicity is increasing. What is yellow in color is more basic, green in color is little less basic. This is a basic salt actually, sodium bicarbonate. So this way, making use of the chemicals at home, you can find out whether the given substance is acidic, basic or neutral. You can use anything that you want to. So even fruit juices, milk or greens juice or anything that you can use to find out whether it is acidic or basic. And I have here prepared this indicator using red cabbage. You can also prepare indicator using hibiscus, red hibiscus flower, black grapes, red geranium flower, red rose, all those which are red in color, red color flowers, and this cabbage, red cabbage, they all have a pigment called anthocyanin. So this pigment, this dye, which is giving you different color in different medium. It has a different chemical reaction in different medium. In acidic medium one reaction, basic medium another one, based on the hydrogen ion concentration we see. The other term that we use for representing this acidity and basicity is pH. So we have pH indicator also. The next experiment that we are going to do is on pH indicator. Hope you have enjoyed this activity and you can definitely do it at home. Thank you.